Hi guys, this is Nirmal from Nandanam Exotics. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I have decided to showcase this beautiful Caralluma that is in bloom right now. I'll be showing stages of the flowers from bud to the completely bloomed stage. So hope you like the video. So as I said, this is called a Caralluma. It's a succulent and it's belonging to the Apocynaceae family. It's native to India, parts of India actually, and it is commonly seen in the arid parts of India. It's a carrion plant, and let me elaborate a little bit on what a carrion plant is. A carrion plant is those plants that produce blooms that are very foul or nasty smelling. The smell can be compared easily to that of rotting meat, and in nature, when you find some animal carcass which smells very bad, you can also find small bugs that visit such decaying matter. So these plants, which are called carrion plants, really target such bugs to pollinate their flowers. That is the reason why they produce such foul smell. But on the brighter side of things, these plants have very beautiful and intricately designed star-shaped flowers, and as you can see in the video, the coloring on this flower is also very unique. It's a very dark red maroonish color, which is not very common in the flower. Like, you don't find such color in flowers very often. Other than that, we can talk about the requirements of this plant. Light wise, they do not do well in indoor conditions. It's a succulent, so they need a lot of sun to grow as well as flower properly, so give them as much sun as possible. Coming to watering, they are succulent in nature, so try to withhold watering. In my case, I only water them every Sunday or on a weekend, and during the wetter or monsoon climate, I only water them once a month. You can also withhold watering for a long period of time to stress your plant into blooming. If your plant is finicky about flowering, you can try this out by really cutting down the water supply. Again, what else we can talk about is potting. I prefer to pot most of my succulents in terracotta or clay pots or cement pots. This is to facilitate easier drying of the medium after a watering. I don't recommend planting them in plastic or ceramic because it really slows down the process of evaporation. Other than that, they can be propagated by stem cuttings. Just leave the stem to heal for a while for callousing the wound. That's all you have to think of. So other than that, I don't have much to say. I hope you like the video. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you like such plant related videos. Share it with your friends and like-minded people. I would appreciate that a lot. Thanks for watching.